This countdown will change how you see global logistics. We ranked the 20 most sustainable and innovative supply chains, and our number one pick will surprise you. Innovation, ESG, business impact, and logistics efficiency decide the list. Let's dive in. Method. Scoring. Innovation, 30%. Sustainability and ESG, 40%. Global business impact, 20%. Logistics efficiency, 10%. We looked at adoption of AI, twins, traceability, decarbonization progress, circularity, flagship companies, and port and rail performance. Number 20. Austria. Austria blends alpine hydropower with precise manufacturing, enabling low-carbon operations across Central Europe. Transparent ESG reporting, efficient cross-border rail, and circular packaging programs make its networks leaner and greener. Number 19. Italy. Italy advances farm-to-fork traceability and regenerative agriculture, reducing risk in food and fashion supply chains. Compostable packaging pilots and digital origin labels build trust, while intermodal corridors cut emissions along key export routes. Number 18. Spain. Spain powers logistics with solar and wind, linking ports and inland hubs through high-speed rail options. Green port initiatives in the Med and electrified last mile in major cities lower Scope 3 and speed up time to market. Number 17. Ireland. Ireland is a global pharma logistics hub, mastering compliant, low-risk cold chains and data integrity. Renewable-powered facilities, smart sensors, and strong customs processes keep temperature-sensitive flows reliable end-to-end. Number 16. China. China's megaports deploy AI scheduling, electrified yard equipment, and smart customs to scale throughput. Rapid EV adoption in freight and massive renewables integration signal a green transition across industrial clusters. Number 15. Canada. Canada connects renewable-rich corridors to efficient intramodal gateways for resilient north-south trade. Blockchain traceability in natural resources and cold-weather infrastructure expertise underpin dependable exports. Number 14. Australia. Australia sets the pace in circular logistics with large-scale pooling of pallets and containers. Closed-loop asset networks, reduced waste, improve turns, and provide auditable emissions savings across retail and FMCG. Number 13. The United States. The U.S. is an ESG innovation engine, nearshoring, EV fleets, and end-to-end transparency at scale. Retail and tech leaders drive automation, AI demand sensing, and blockchain, setting standards other markets quickly follow. Number 12. Japan. Japan pairs Kaizen discipline with robotics, cutting defects and energy waste in warehouses and factories. Hydrogen trucks and smart, biodegradable packaging pilots push low-carbon logistics without sacrificing reliability. Number 11. The United Kingdom. The UK builds post-Brexit resilience with higher domestic sourcing and autonomous DC pilots. EV last mile, regenerative sourcing programs, and data-rich supplier scorecards improve both service and sustainability. Number 10. France. France accelerates industrial decarbonization with green corridors and high-speed freight options. Energy optimization platforms and hydrogen investments help heavy industry shrink emissions while protecting lead times. Number 9. South Korea. South Korea integrates 5G at ports and advanced robotics in warehouses for precision and speed. Battery ecosystems and clean energy programs turn technology leadership into measurable logistics decarbonization. Number 8. Singapore. Singapore's smart port runs on digital twins, AI demand sensing, and autonomous yard vehicles. Seamless trade documentation and zero-emission roadmaps compress dwell times and cut emissions in one of the world's busiest hubs. Number 7. Norway. Norway's 98% renewable grid powers electric vessels and automated quays. hydrogen pilots and strict ESG stewardship create a blueprint for zero-emission maritime supply chains. Number 6. Germany. Germany scales carbon-neutral warehouses and large EV fleets while pushing R&D in automation. Strong engineering ecosystems and collaborative pilots translate quickly from innovation labs to nationwide rollouts. Number 5. The Netherlands. The Netherlands turns Rotterdam into a green gateway, renewable fuels, adaptation to sea level rise, and ecosystem partnerships. Data-driven port orchestration and inland barge and rail links help halve CO2 while improving reliability. Number 4. Denmark. Denmark leads a maritime green shift with methanol-ready fleets and strict low-carbon standards. Certified green cold chains and early-stage fuel infrastructure make long-distance shipping cleaner and more predictable. Number 3. Finland. Finland couples top-tier digital skills with e-invoicing and renewable-powered data centers. A vibrant startup scene and enterprise adoption of AI and planning tools raise forecast accuracy and cut waste. Number 2. Sweden. Sweden pioneers circularity, recycled materials at scale, and robust repair and parts ecosystems. Supplier energy transition programs and plastic-free packaging roadmaps bring real Scope 3 reductions across categories. Number 1. Switzerland. Switzerland tops the list. World-class innovation, regenerative sourcing, and low-carbon logistics excellence. Global leaders headquartered here drive high-impact ESG programs, proving small countries can shape global supply chains. 4 pillars now define competitiveness: innovation, ESG, business impact, and logistics efficiency. Which country should rise next year, and why? Tell us in the comments. If this was useful, subscribe and leave a comment. Check the complimentary materials via the link in the description.